Hello again, guys. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you guys all doing? What are you guys all doing? A long time no see. A long time no see. Alright, grabbed me some food. Finished some food already, rather. Did not eat it on stream. And now I'm ready. Just a little bit of tea to drink, and that's it. Hey, Nick, hey, MK. Hello, guys. Hello. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Alright, so let's get this shit going. Let's get this shit going. Alright. So, yesterday we got this to start registering them clicks. So, that at least is there. That we got. That we got done. Now we gonna make it actually move. And now we gonna make it actually move. Hey Revelo, how we doing? What are you doing, man? So I kinda like looked into it real quick. Because, well, just, you know, like trying to figure stuff out for a while, you know, on your own, kind of like silently during the process is probably not as fun as interactive. As I looked into at least the direction how to look. Apparently there is actually like pretty pretty simple, you could say, already embedded drag and drop thing in Godot. Apparently it exists, but it also has some sort of like downsides there. So I guess we continue doing it sorta the way we are doing it already, and see how it goes. Hey Axel, hello. Yeah, control nodes, only some specific nodes, and apparently they also had some issues with the what's the name, the viewport or something. Like if like I don't remember exactly. It also could be something, you know, like when you look through this stuff, some of the messages might be kind of old, you know, and there's a bunch of like updates already, things changed, so hard to say, hard to say. Hey, you onion, hello. How are you, man? The hello. So yeah, we're gonna check it out then. No, I mean, I'm gonna probably do the same way. Like I found actually, let me see, that was actually a really cool guide that I can yoink that part from, I guess, sorta. At least for now. At least for now. Let me see. Just kind of to make things, you know, a little more interactive, not just me like kind of like looking for through it silently for a while on stream. Let me check. I'll find it. I'll link it. That guide actually is kind of long, or kind of old, I mean. But that one seemed actually decent. And how they did it actually was pretty simple by the looks of it. It's pretty much already what I have in place. With a little bit of on top of it. So like it's pretty much, let me see, which one was that? I think we got it in this one. Velotra 2 sort of in a way you could say. In a way you could say it's just kind of like the local. It's pretty much just like the dominoes. The idea is kind of dominoes Velotra sort of. I just like saw like a lot of people here in Georgia do play dominoes. I did play back in the day a little bit for funsies, you know. So we kind of got that going. For now, I just kind of like want to get the basic stuff. So we're just gonna be able to like, you know, move it. For now, just like the text to click, sound clicks. Drop it, rotate it, probably on the right click or something. And then also like, you know, to start kind of like snapping to each other and identifying which number is there. Does it work? Does it not? The dice Balatro, man, there is like a lot already like going on. I played already even, like I played the roulette Balatro already a while ago actually. That one is out too for a while. I think someone already made some sort of like domino roguelikes, but it's mostly kind of like some each stuff and everything. And I was just, you know what, whatever. We can make something, especially since it's kind of like easy to iterate here. So we can just make sort of like, you know, regular sort of dominoes to work and then try to like add something stuff to it. Just not the numbers, but like some special dominoes and stuff, or special sides of dominoes or some stuff like that. And see what we can do with that. Let's see where we can go from there. So yeah, kinda want to try it that way. Just need to get like familiarize myself with shit. I just realized, you know, like doing all this, I just realized like, man, you know, like what we did in Unity, for example. Like, I mean, it wasn't anything crazy, but I kind of did like learn a bunch of stuff, how things work. I could at least, you know, open it and actually kind of like, all right, we need let's do like this little thing, and I can like know kind of what to do, at least where to look and everything. So it already kind of had some progress there, even though it was like a few months of also kind of like evening streams here and there. It still kind of felt, and now when you look from, you know, perspective of like completely knowing jack shit here, you understand that you actually kind of had some clue about what was happening there. And you totally don't have any here yet still, sorta. But we're getting there. Okay, one second. The guide that I seen is actually this one. This one is kind of old, but I think that method should kind of work. That method should kind of work. Okay, one sec. How to do it? How to do it right? The dinner decisions. The burger. Do it. Why not? Why not? So I can just like pause it 1 second there. One moment. I can do it through here. One sec. Just gonna pass it to my PC. This way, then I open it here. All right. And open it here and close it here. There we go. And the odds are rolling in there. There we go. And there we go. See, like this. Well, I mean, this kind of like the visual demonstration is kind of cool. So like this is just basically kind of like making it going like this. Not like I need it this way, really, though. Just in general, kind of nice. But yeah, kind of don't even need to go that super deep in that stuff. So I think it's pretty much like was the same piece that we had. Except I don't have the area 2D stuff, but I think we can do it maybe the same way I did for now. At least I saw all the steps are pretty much the same, so I think I just kind of gonna do it that way and whatever. And whatever. The concepts are essentially engine agnostic. Yeah, but yeah, that's the thing. I'm just getting lost. Like I already was bad, like with the what's the name, the semantics, right? Sorta, like because I don't really have a lot of experience with coding in general. So at least there I already kind of learned some of the semantics and how things work, and that's why it was kind of easier for me to, you know, at least kind of like look into that stuff. Here's like with the semantics changed, and even they can like going through all this stuff, you know, the terminology is different, like the controls, nodes, all that stuff. GD script, I'm doing GD script. I could technically switch to C# because that I kinda know a little better, but I decided just to like roll with it, whatever. But like if I wouldn't know the fundamentals from back when I was actually kinda, you know, like learning coding in general, I probably would suck like completely. Now at least I have kinda idea how things go. But I do miss a lot of, you know, a lot of like the semantic stuff. Like I kind of know approximately how it should go, so that makes it a little easier. It's actually funny because we did the what's the name, the kind of snapping thingy, the auto adjust of the thingies in Unity with lerp. Actually, I remember that. Oh, lerping was different. Okay. So that should technically be super simple then. Yeah, this is like 3 years old video technically. Wait, so the lerp is just done completely. I mean, we can check. So let's see. Hey, Zebra. Twinning is changed. All right. What the difference actually on the twinning would be? Because technically with Domino, you kind of wanted this to stick maybe a little more firmly. I guess would make sense rather than a little kind of smooth and that's a kind of like minor thing though. It's whatever. So we can try. So basically we have the signalis here. The signalis here. Let's see, and that was oh, but we still need the physics process on that one too then. I get the delta in there. Alright, I see. Oh, in betweening, okay. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay. So it's kind of like the first kind of position, second position, and it just kind of like moves there, sorta. Feels it automatically between. The linear interpolations. Alright. Over a certain amount of frames. Okay, I see. Does not force you to do stuff over time. Alright. I'll see how it goes. Alright. Kind of both could be nice, I guess. Kinda. Lerp does seem kind of like it's smooth stuff. Seems like it's kind of smooth, Alright, so we already have the selected stuff and everything, right? Basically, we have the like the mouse down. We have the mouse down. So with some time, yeah. Okay. It doesn't have the keyframes. See. So we have the event. And this one, should we try to... I mean, it should probably be... oh, the separate function. Or should it be the physics process, I guess, too, then? Actually, kind of weird. Oh, physics process actually, because probably it has the what's the name? The collision thingy, though. I'm not sure if we're gonna have that. I mean, it's not like we need a relay. Need to do it this way, or is it like there's some specific way you need to call for the lerp there? The process delta, alright. Behavior consistent across all frame rates. Alright, let's see. Oh, because of the delta stuff, right? That makes sense. So we need just the truth, right? And that's it. Basically. Yeah, then we'll lerp in there, huh? Wait, this way? Still kind of like lost in the syntaxes, alright, yes. So we lerp in it. Global position to the mouse global position. And with this speed. And that was... Well, actually, we can make the speed kind of lower than it will be. Or like, rather, faster, I guess. And then it will be a little more speedy and less smooth, I assume. Then you will need also to release that at some point. Let's see. Will that actually even work? Will that actually even work? It does, huh? Nice, nice. Do be kinda slow. Kinda smooth, I guess. And moves them all. Feels good, man. Nice, that's good, huh? That is good, Well, actually, it already kinda... solves the release problem, though, so... Except it kind of like moves the... moves it a bit. Well, probably because, yeah, we're kind of clicking the... Was it the global mouse position? We need the... No, probably global still. It just like moves it a bit. Probably maybe because like the anchor or something should be set in a different place. Like it just like how it goes to the top left corner as you click. It already goes there. The anchor of the object being moved. Okay, I see, yeah. Oh yeah, the offset and unity, alright. True. So the offset... And offset we need some sort of like local stuff, I guess, right? I'll need to be offset in it a bit. So how shall we offset it here then? How does the local mouse position go? Will that actually work? Like in the cursor script there. I got the cursor. Bring up the old Unity stuff, yeah. Well, I mean, it wasn't exactly, I guess, the same. Oh, bringing up that one will be interesting. I mean, I do have it somewhere on the PC, but yeah, I didn't even. I saved it all, obviously. Even when I moved it on new PC, but yeah, it's not installed or anything. Yeah, well, I'll try to remember. How did we do that? How did we do that? So we... Did we do with some sort of like local stuff too? Trying to remember. I'm trying to remember how we did that there. So global position. That goes from the top left. There should be the way then. Like, do we need the to get some sort of like local mouse position? And add that to let me see. I want to see how that will go. Will it be inside the control we have, or it will be something else? I wonder. Could actually be a lot of stuff it's going to be printing though. And minimize a bit. Ah, of course. That was a boss, right? And keeps taking it also. Even when it's... Well, I guess, yeah, I guess that makes sense. So the global and the local. That does actually kind of look like it's in... Like it's in the... like sort of inside of the domino. Can you just do it like in a dumb way? In a very dumb way. And do we need to do some more... a more insane calculation for that offset there? Nah, that doesn't go that way. Oh, it doesn't go that way. And this one on zeros there. Second for the destination, yeah. Actually, wait, do we need it for the destination or do we need it for... I think we need the initial one though, no? Because it starts from like 0, 0, 0 sort of, well, the top left. Or are we adding it to the global? Are we subtracting it from the global, I guess? Readjusting and release. Actually, oh yeah, that actually might be the case, true. Hold on. Not yet, not yet. We'll work on that. No, now it's just kind of full PPG mode, huh? Now it's just full PPG mode, huh? G7 minus 3. Yeah, that kind of doesn't sound right there. 4 minus 183. Yeah, that doesn't sound right. That's the local. Feels kind of like somewhere else then. A local somewhere else. On 1934. What if you audit? Let's try. Yeah, that still kind of goes. That kind of does go with how it was. So maybe it's not the local exactly. Well, the first one. Do so much there. Weird. What if we just like audit to the lerb though? Or like to like in general the total when it's gonna be 2 dink. Nah. Can't does it in the more PPA way now. I think it's just because like the local is probably something not exactly what we need. Probably. Like global is fine. Local becomes well, I mean that it becomes 0-2 because yeah, it kind of goes to the top left again. So that's actually kind of I think does it right. It's just like need to get it in here in some other way. In some other way. But in which one though? Yeah, we need the final destination. What if, I mean... Get out of here. Get out of here. And they all gone. Easy life. Let's kick them all out. Kick them all out. That was weird though. That was some dang shit. But also kind of makes it... Yeah, why is the local going that dink? Why is the local going that dink? It should be, I think, global minus local. It makes kind of sense, though. If you click, like, not on the top, then it should... but, like, somewhere in the middle, it should just start it, I guess. Yeah, that's the script attached to the domino. Yeah. This one attached to the domino. I think it kind of sees the coordinates, especially initially when you just click. It does see it. It does see it. Even just clicking, yeah, just moves it here. It might just nah. Maybe on a click, you need to save. Not just keep doing the, what's the name? Yeah, maybe, what if... actually, it would still kind of work, though, in the first click. A global minus local, alright. Like, we need to save the offset on click, and then it shouldn't be changing, I guess. And it shouldn't be changing then. Yeah, might be. The thing is, like, the local mouse position also gonna be changing. Well, actually, I guess that kind of doesn't matter, though, or... Well, let's try, yeah. Maybe just need the variable for that. I mean, we can even do it, I guess. I could technically do it in... maybe here somewhere. But let's try, I guess, this way. No, then just when it's like negative, it just completely stops working for some reason. I'm not sure why, but it just stops. That was without the brackets too. It for some reason just stopped. Ura. No, that actually kind of like seems more or less right, I guess. Seems more or less right. I'm not sure why it's not going to that. It's like the global mouse. Kinda technically should, eh? For some reason it doesn't, though. Some reason it stops working completely. Before you think too much. True. Well, need something to work at all. Yeah, no. At all, eh? Something at all, eh? Wait, let me see. Yeah. And that's what I guessed, but I'm not so sure why. It doesn't move because it's equal already. Huh? Wait. Is it moving because wait, that's PP, okay? Oh, actually, wait a second. No. Nope. Oh, setting it before printed. Yeah, actually, you are right there. Still kinda doesn't make sense though. Wait, did you just? No, so good. Scroll there. I was like, what? Yeah, this one I'm printing already after. Update these through. But it's still the same, yeah. And that's why I didn't even move, huh? What? So global mouse minus the local mouse actually ends up being the same as the global position. Which, I mean, I guess kind of makes sense in a way. What if we... do undiscussed shit? Actually, it's probably not gonna work that way. True zero, true, huh? I wonder if you can do this. If it can do it with the position with coordinates. Yeah, that kind of does work, even though it's like giga slow though. It kind of still moves a bit slowly. Moves, but still moves just slowly there. Right? And just so slow that it doesn't really matter then. Feels like 0.9 is everything though. Which it kind of shouldn't. Yeah, but we know the size of the Dominus. That kind of can do, but that's not that fun though. I guess that's not that fun. It'll be more fun to make it actually work it. I drop the piece exactly like you grabbed it. Yeah, exactly. That's what I want. Well, preferably, yeah. You grab it and it just kind of like follows the mouse the same way, more or less the same way, and drops where we release it. I just don't get why it's like the global position minus local just ends up in kind of the same stuff then. Well, I mean, I guess it kind of makes sense. Because that actually kind of centers the mouse, or like centers the coordinate exactly where the like the corner is. So like if you're going here, it kind of like centers the mouse here, so it doesn't move anymore because it's the same. Static screen is literally the same. Wait, what do you mean? Not the microtransactions. Well, you'll need to make that work too. That's also not gonna be simple. That's also not gonna be simple. A local 0.0 is the global 0.0. I guess I thought like the local will be, you know, like local mouse position inside the domino. So we get like the global position on screen and the local in the domino, I thought. That was my guess, and kind of makes sense because like it shows, you know, the global is this and the local is this. So I assume it's kind of like, you know, 25x and 45y on the domino. So it actually kind of does show it, right? It's just the thing is like when we subtract this out of this, then we get again the top left corner of the domino, and I guess it just doesn't even move then. I thought maybe like changing the local mouse position by like 1 pixel or something. Maybe then it will start, you know, at least kind of move into it, because it's not exactly the same. I did use different coordinates for that, I see, yeah. Boludo? Damn, what a name. What a name. There's probably gonna be a lot of those, huh? It's probably gonna be a lot of those, huh? I could, like, literally, I think, 1 second, when I got this one, where was it? Yeah, I recreated Balatra effects in Godot, so, like, there you go. There is already all the guides for you there. You can do it. Yes, it does work, I just don't really get it, though. If we do... What if it this, and then... Nah, or... Like, plus... It's not gonna work with +1, right? When you like this the vector stuff. Should be the vector, I guess. Even though multiplying does work. Just like maybe literally like adding to local mouse or to this in general, just like adding like plus 1 literal pixel or something. Then it should kinda do something at least. But it should be the vector. Lerp do show. No, probably ain't it, does it? Lerp actually does. Oh, we actually... How do we close this? The parent of the card is the... it's probably already gonna start. I'm gonna start molding. Yeah, because vector and +1. This should be still the same one, so when you dig out the vector. The parent is the container here, the HBox container. This thing is the parent. This thing is the parent, but this one doesn't interrupt with the mouse stuff whatsoever. Like this one completely passes all the mouse interactions, so it shouldn't be in the way. It can be for the coordinates, I guess, but I don't think so. I'm not so sure. Because it kind of does work, though. Local position refers to the parent. Oh, it does, actually. Wait, really? Wait, 1 second. 25 to 41. That's this. Nah. Nope. That actually do me, no. Yeah, wait a second, though. Or is it? No, because it's like multiple. For some reason, they constantly multiply. So 22, 44, 21, 35. No. It's still. It actually is inside the domino. It's just like it's basically when we do. I always lost there. So when we do like global mouse position minus local mouse position, it exactly points to the top left of the domino. So it doesn't move because, you know, it's already there. The problem is why it doesn't move later when we start moving the mouse, though. I don't know. Mouse's position in this canvas item using the local coordinate system of canvas item. So it should be the domino then. I guess. Yeah, actually, I'm wrong there because it's then, what's the name? When we start moving the mouse, though, it also should start moving, but it clearly doesn't. What if I... Okay, then, oh yeah, obviously, then it doesn't even take it. If we drag it, though... It does move here. On Y, actually, though, for some reason. I think it was supposed to be X, kinda. Actually, no, wait. That's right, yeah. One outside the hand, it also will work, yeah. It also will work. That we also will need to fix. Oh, he says, let's see how it works there. Yeah, also the same. Like, it will work there, yeah. It does work. It did work there before. Actually, wait a second. Minus 13 on that one. Oh, no, it's right, yeah. 2145. So it does do the local stuff. I don't get it then. Actually, I do kinda... Nah, I'm not sure. It's like when we let the mouse go. And then it should stop. No, it should kind of go though. It's funny that it works, you know, when you remove this, or if you add like the plus here instead, then it all kind of works just fine. Well, just fine. Not exactly in the way we kind of want it to work, of course, but it does. This we also can do, of course. Yeah, these also do the same stuff anyway. These also do the same. But this way it's kind of like the coordinates never change. But the thing is like why it still never change when we keep moving though. Offsets when you pick them? Okay, no. Only if you do the plus there. And no, it still moves them. So you just click them and it moves them already to this way. Which, I mean, I kind of don't want to. We want to like grab it to here and it moves from here. That would be better. That would be the way we kind of wanted to do. Yes, when you pick them, yeah. To trying to like reverse it and only see when we drop in them. No, that's not gonna work this way, I guess. Yeah, it's not even dropping, it's just the picking. It's like that's the weird thing. Like it kind of like it basically when you do the minus, it just like ends up the same. So like the global position and whatever we're trying to find, the offset, they both the same. And that's why it doesn't move, I assume. But the thing is, like, we move the mouse later, but it still doesn't move. I don't know why. Don't need to mess with the second parameter. Think so? I mean, another thing, like, wait a second. Maybe instead of plus, we do the minus here. But actually, no, I tried the minus though. Then it kind of like goes completely out of it. No, local. Local only. But then it was flying away, right? Yeah. Off it goes. Off it goes. I'll get them all out. That ain't the offset we want. A minus the result of global minus local. Oh, here. Now that's gonna be like some dang stuff, I feel, no? It's still gonna be some like massive numbers there. I mean, maybe. Bigger problems, bigger solutions. Yeah, it also just flies. Not as crazy, but also flies. There it is somehow. They all go completely bonkers there. This way just kind of like goes the same, yeah. Then it still keeps moving though, that's the thing. Let's use the drag and drop from the control nodes. I mean, we could, but yeah, that would be boring. It's fun to find how this works now already then. Since we already started, I guess. Might as well. Might as well. I wonder, like, why and how. Wait, maybe you do need the starting one, though, no? But we tried to mess with starting one, too, already, so that's not... So it doesn't, like, try to jump the original one as much. Okay, what if it's gonna be minus here? I did try the minus before already too. Oh yeah, that goes also PPG. Off we go. Yeah, this still goes the same way there. What? Yeah, why are you like this? Wait, this way local actually 0, 0 again though. Well, actually, yeah, that kind of makes sense though. No, that actually always the same. Wait, what? Oh, because it like instantly just moves to the very first move is it moves where the cursor is, and then it becomes 0, 0 automatically. Okay, I see. I guess that kind of makes sense. And subtraction is also the same again. Same as position. And when we don't do it, then it's obviously different, but the difference is by exactly the local thing. There's a little off there. Yeah, this way position and subtraction is a little different, so it moves. But the difference is literally the local position is the difference, basically. Actually, now local position is also PPG. Ah, because it moves. Yeah, you click first, there it is, and then it like instantly... instantly moves. Then becomes at the 0 there, and then it doesn't move anymore. What if we count offset like once and then we don't touch it? I think that might be the way, instead of constantly doing... Like we need to count the offset only on click once and then never do it again. And minus position on the second parameter. Wait, minus local position, I mean? Or minus global position? Just position? A little not. A little not it. It does offset though. It does offset, but kinda weird. Wait a second. I think. You know what? I think I know. Let's do it this way. So we do. Don't know. Would that be in the right way to do it? It's also vector, I guess, right? I'm not sure how can we just do it this way so it's like empty there. So like whenever we actually click in, do or actually maybe plus here, we'll see. Yep, there it is. It's just because it's like we're clicking and then it already like frame sticking, so it just kind of like slowly adjusts it to the point where the cursor is, and this way it just kind of like keeps it, I guess. So we just set it once and then it stays. Alright, that's good, huh? That does it. It also works on these though, but well, whatever. That's already something. Feels good, eh? Feels good, man. Yeah, it's also like because like the local changes, because like we kind of like click on it and it starts sliding towards this way, so like the local also changes and that offset constantly kind of gets smaller and smaller and smaller until we get like completely where the corner is, and this way we just get offset once and then it doesn't move anymore. Kind of like maybe not the best placement for that solution, but it works, and that will do. Now, GUI input also. I can check this one. Button I think also should work. Maybe instead of a return, we also check on the button press then. No, actually no, not the button. Mouse button, but if that's the right one, then we flip domino. Not flip, the like rotate it a bit. We need to do it only once also, not constantly. Not constantly just flipping it. Only on click even, I guess. With no offsets, but whatever. Command indentations though. That goes this way. No, this way. Get no signals anymore. Well, I mean, we could do all the signals too, actually. So we need that's not position, I guess, right? How do we do this stuff? See, domino, transform, rotation, right? We need to get. Oh yeah, the pivot position also there. Well, pivot offset we can do with the offset again, actually. That works. So maybe offset will be actually needed again. Edit in the inspector in degrees. If you want to use degrees in the script, use rotation degrees. Oh, rotation degree. Okay, I see, I guess. So we can get like this, the transform like that. We can get transform. How do we do that? Directly as well as through methods. Okay, how do we do here? How do we do that here? I can see like the self-use, but we can't get that stuff. I can see its name, yeah. As rotation degrees. Wait, can it be without transform? Just self. Oh, that's simple. Is it also does it work like with some of this stuff? Like I don't know if it's gonna be in this stuff. Kick. I can wait. Oh, you still do the mouse down, I guess. Oh yeah, probably. Yeah. Need a different one. We need, or we need to do this one, not on the mouse down. If left mouse down, then. Okay, wait a second. Then it's. Ooh, where was that? Oh, you don't even need to use the self in this count. Okay, I see. Nice, nice. Oh, where was this? Dude, I'm lost. Indentations, man, indentations. Right, so we need to add left. So, okay. Put this. Left mouse down. Else. And then it was going here. This way. I think. Okay, works. Uh-huh. Alright. Well, we need to offset the pivot around which it's gonna be turned into, which I assume is gonna be pretty much kind of the same shit. I guess we can reuse it though, right? Because it's not like we're gonna be doing both mouse buttons at the same time. In this context, at least. What was about the pivot there? The offset in the right side. It did say that, yeah, the stuff about it. Pivot offset, this stuff, right? Oh, so you don't even need to set it here. Okay, I see. Well, I mean, I guess, actually. So we just go 50, 90. So we just go, like, 25, 45. That's it. Well, I'm gonna keep it here. Not like it doesn't matter much. Doesn't... Well, I mean, actually, it... No, it still seems kind of like it spins around the same stuff there. So you get the here, right? So like half and half. But it clearly doesn't want to. Maybe it didn't apply. Wait a second. I probably didn't save, I guess. Yeah, it was still editing, probably. Yeah, alright, good. Does it. Insane. Insane, alright, that's good, huh? That's good, huh? Now to make also this shit like snap to each other. Oh, that'll be beautiful. Wait, what? No. No. Got the bugs, man. I think because offset is not actually, I'm not so sure. Uh-huh. Yeah, because the offset... Okay, I know why, probably. I don't need it here, I guess, still. Well, actually, how do we even... Okay, yeah. We'll do it, replicate it this way. Oh. Oh, that's the... Wait. So if we get the pivot offset that way, we don't even need... Nah. Really? So we don't even need the offset whatsoever then? If we use the pivot thingy? No, that doesn't sound right. Yeah, that breaks it. And that breaks it even more, I guess. I think nah. Actually, yeah, it could be. I need to probably... Probably, like, zero probably doesn't work, I assume. Okay, I wonder. think something with this. Maybe I'm wrong though. No, offset is fine. Well, except actually it doesn't even change. No, it did change, alright. Because the position is kind of weird now. Now that it kind of like turned around. So after it didn't turn around. Kinda does seem like it's the offset issue though. Feels like. But not sure. How the rotation... Oh, wait, the vector stuff has the rotation to it, you're right. Position stay the same. Interesting. Your position doesn't move. Position is almost the same there. No change as I said. The offset seems the same. Like offset, I guess, is not a problem here. I guess, but yeah, maybe it is because of the. Man, I wish it would be kind of more graphic there. A little bit. The direction of the object actually changes with that offset, yeah. Yeah. What if it's like it's subtracting, but because it kind of like flipped, it's subtracting kind of like different, you know, direction now. So like basically X became Y or something. But man, how do we offset that shit then? How do you modify the rotation that way? Yeah, it moved the white and everything too. Huh? Like, can we see it somehow though? And 77494. The 2D view. No, because I guess not really. Because we're kind of like summoning it, instantiating it here. You don't see it here. There's some sort of way to kind of like see the whole thing. A domino piece to see. Well, actually, wait a second. It's because it's instantiating, so yeah, I don't know. Like, how do we check the stats on that boy then? And it doesn't affect here, that's for sure, because it's instances of it, so... wait a second, can we see it in remote, though? Yeah, we can see it in remote. Wonder which one was that, though. Traditional 0 for everyone. What? Donut piece adjust rotation on the right and see? Okay. Some kind of like pivot cells. Well, yeah, because we have the offset. It turns it over that. But, yeah, the position should be pretty much the same, though. Position to 20 without. Ah, where do we do that? Go. Piega. Kinda moves it all, though, I guess. Kinda does seem, you know, like nothing really changes that way. But I feel like with Something is wrong still with the... Well, I mean, obviously something is wrong. But what exactly, eh? I mean, like the anchor. Like this kind of stays there anyway. Like the 00 still kind of stays. The reference always still stays there. Let's see, actually, 1 second. Well, not gonna work that way, but what if we move... No. This kind is the closest one, I guess. Still weird, though. I feel like the local stuff starts going PP then if you do it. A local starts going PP then. A local mouse position, I guess. Even though it doesn't seem like it really. Actually kind of does. Yeah, local mouse position going to like 117, 209. That shouldn't even be really possible. Because the size of the domino is 50 and 90. So that already shouldn't really be the case. Somehow it is. And I wonder why. Also, actually, like it doesn't... Based on the parent, think so. Well, then none of this would work though. Like I think it is like looking at like now, for example, yeah, it's 1843. That kind of like we click, for example, like here is gonna be, yeah, 2-1. So that's actually like the local inside the domino. It's just like whenever we like turn it, we click like here and we get local, yeah, 41 166. So whenever it like turns, it becomes weird. Space that the object refers to. Well, I mean, I think it's exactly like the inside the object though. The local inside this entity. So like if we click... Well, if we click somewhere else, it doesn't even work whatsoever. Doesn't show anything, so can't really see. But yeah, I think it's like... And so like almost 1-1. And this one is... yeah, 4786. 50 and 90. So like it exactly actually inside the domino, so it works all good. But when we flip it, when we turn it, it becomes weird. Like where is even the... the middle then, I wonder. Like 32, 142. There is no like such numbers even. 142 is impossible. Nah. I guess not really, but nah, I kind of doubt it. I just kind of was wondering what if like it starts taking something else as like some sort of reference there after we start turning it around. Say there's like some sort of ghosting when we start turning it around. That's kind of weird. Scale 1, everything, the basic stuff. Nah. Yes, we did it like brakes on when you spin. That may be something how it handles maybe the transform, because this all works like super smooth. When you spin, fucked. Spin this way, fuck differently. Spin this way, fuck third way. Spin back, all works again. Like, dude, what is this? What is this? Yeah, the thing is, like, when it was borked before, it was kind of like moving, right? Now it completely, like, the final position that it gets, so the global position, I guess, is like way different compared to where this one ends up. And it never actually reaches it again. So it's like mouse global. Or not. And like it does bork the offset somehow. I just wonder how. What if we remove offset for now, for example? Like same stuff. All right, now we turn it. Same stuff. Turn it. Same. Okay, so it's not really offset problem. It's a general problem here. This doesn't even use local whatsoever, right? If I remember correct. Yeah, now we don't even use local at all. And it still is borked. So something, when we start turning them, something goes weird. Maybe because the global position changes when we move rotation or something. Nah, I mean... Offset we need. Offset we need anyway. Actually, it shouldn't be called offset, seems like. Can't actually... Well, it didn't. It still didn't work even without it. Just to not use the stuff that we already have here. But what can that be though? Wait, why offset? Maybe a gap. So even without the local mouse position, it still worked. Something is the wrong... I would assume even with the initial global position, really. Like, it starts working kind of weird, eh? Because of that pivot offset. Kind of doubt it, because it still works fine when it's, you know, the proper one. Rotate or scale around this pivot. When you change rotation or scale, so maybe because when we return it back, it doesn't really take that into account. No, I don't think it's like 25, 45, is it? Actually, could it be? 136. $162. Okay, that's already a little too much. Like, even if it's like 45 taking into account, and 90 is still too much. And also how the local can be minus also. But local doesn't even matter though, that's the thing. Like, when we remove offset completely, so local is not even like doing anything. It still is borked. It still is borked. So it's like doing something, maybe even with global, I don't know. Something becomes kinda borked. Actually, wait a second. Nah, that probably doesn't really do much though. Yeah, that should be fine. Can that be something known, sorta? I do see that there are some talks that it might be the axis is actually changing, maybe. when you rotate them. Kinda weird, but I guess could that be the case? Now what can be this then? Dice hacks are nice. And some chicken Kiev. Then some potat, basically. That was the dinner. That was the dinner. A burger sounds good. A burger sounds good. Can't really find the exact thing. Progress been good. Progress been actually good. But now, yeah, now we got some bugs. As in now we have some misunderstandings here. It only works when we actually have the unrotated one. The unrotated one. Actually, yeah, I wonder if we can maybe catch some of that stuff like here somewhere. That's fine, that we can fix. Let me see it here somewhere. Clicking them controls, that is everything, dude. Where is everything? I need to set this up also, I guess. To start working right. Cause yeah, we need to figure that out. Gotta figure that out. What is wrong with this exactly? I'm feeling it's something with the angle though. After we start the rotation, after we start rotating, something goes wrong. Maybe it should be some other rotation. That does say rotation degrees should be used, which we did use. And that clearly works, but then I'm not so sure And what's wrong then? Because it's not the offset. I can remove it completely. It's going to be the same issue there. So like offset needs to do something else, or maybe like switch the direction also. Maybe we need to kind of like vector it with some degrees in. Somehow. So just like store the rotation and add it sort of to offset. Kinda. Yeah, only if rotated basically. That is all good, huh? Then you rotate and coordinates go Pipiega. And when you keep rotating it, it's all Pipiega. You get it back, it's all good. So I feel like you kind of need maybe to spin the offset, sorta. I don't know. Removing offset completely also is still gonna be buggy, so in a different way. So that is not the case. Pivot is in the middle. Pivot is in the center. So it switches, flips it around the center. Still need to click on it so it kind of understands where the borders are, you know. Still need to click inside. Huh? Technically, 0 is the top left, but for the sake of rotation, it's set here. Like there's the pivot offset, basically. The thing is, like, even if you remove the pivot offset, I think it was also borked there. Wasn't it? Yeah, it still kind of like moves away. From old unrotated 0 position. Let me check. You shouldn't be storing it though. Oh, actually, you know what? You might be kinda right though. Center domain itself have the offset at 0, 0. I mean, yeah, that's the option. You know what? I think you might be right though, in a way. Actually, wait, no. I'm not sure that gonna work in this sense. I think there's something wrong because like even removing all the offsets and stuff, it's still borked though. That's the thing. It can nah, actually no. So on right we only turn in. And then we left mouse button. Again. No, the thing is like it's completely fine returning back though. Yeah, it's just for the debugging. Yeah, it's just to see kinda. Like I can remove it completely. It's still gonna be the same borked way. Still gonna be borked there. That does this thing. That basically does, yeah, the thing that since we're clicking not in the middle, you know, it moves to the basic to 0. We can put it to the center too, but I don't want. I want to click here and drag through here, right? So that's why we added offset, and that offset does make it work. Now we can click anywhere and just move. It doesn't matter. And it doesn't affect the bug either. Like if I remove it completely, it's still gonna repeat itself. Like it just kind of repeats itself even worse, I guess. Let's put it that way. But in this position, again, it works. Yeah, I don't think offset is to blame here. Well, it could be. Maybe there is some sort of rotation you need to onto offset to, because I kind of do feel like it starts working a little weird. Maybe it like mixes the axis or something. I don't know. Coordinate transformation. Well, yeah, that's what I'm kind of like thinking. That's what I'm thinking. I'm actually wonder. Yeah, this thing. Like, is there... Because, yeah, maybe we need to apply that rotation now to some of the positioning stuff. Or add the offset with some sort of rotation degrees added to it. For example. I'm not sure how to see that. Not sure how to see that. Technically, it's the vector, right? So you can also add the rotation to that one, I guess. But then everything should have rotation. Well, actually, can you get global position or something with rotation added to it? Since it's also vector. But I guess that is not exactly the case. Yeah, I'm just not sure if the global position actually takes a rotation there. I guess we can check though. A vector to... So like technically I guess it could. Technically. You could just apply the rotation with the right clicking. Like store it here somewhere, for example, when we right click, and then when we start moving again, it's just gonna modify by that parameter too. Let me see. I guess. I'm checking what else can if someone had something similar, what can that be? What if you can like center them that way? It will actually work, though. I wonder. I wonder. But probably not the case, though. Okay, I'm finding some that people have some issues like that, but like it's mostly like in 3D and everything. That'll be more complicated too. I feel like because it's also like there is this thing as in like updating the local and global rotation is a different stuff. So maybe there is something to it. Can move forward to the next task. I mean, true. But I want to do it the right way, though. That's kind of the task for today, anyway. That was the task for today, sorta. What if we try... Nah, or... What's wrong with that solution? No, there's nothing wrong. It's just more about, you know, just having it the way we did it already. So me just like moving the center to like the where the offset is and just removing the offset completely, I mean? No. Where was that stuff? Just the anchors? I can get the full rect anchor actually. Damn son, how does that work? How does the magic work then? No, nice. Does work kinda, I guess. It just picks completely different one instead. That's an interesting one. With a complete center. Oh, wait. Where'd you go there? The fuck is this? Where'd the center go all the way there? Wait, really? It's because it's trying to get it like that huge there. Wait, what if I do it this way? That's gonna be like super weird probably. With the center here. Now this one kinda does work, alright. No, that one still kinda goes the same even if we go the center. Control pretty bad overall for gameplay purposes. Yeah, I mean, I will need to switch most likely. We'll need some sort of collision and stuff on that anyway, I feel. I don't know, man. I don't know, I guess. I just kind of like follow the advice. This it. This it. Wait, what if we did the anchor in the middle? Wait, that was the one we did already, yeah. That's what we did. Still, just kind of, you know, something worked, you want to fix it. I want to understand what is wrong here. The area to D and now with the hitbox attached. Probably. Probably need to redo it then, I guess. I don't know. Well, it doesn't really matter though, because it should still worked. It still worked. Not even about that. I need to deal with the hitbox attached then. Alright, I guess I'll need to redo that stuff. Still want to fix this shit though, that's the thing. Want to understand, it's not about like making this shit, you know, different. There's also like the drag and drop solution that is already there too. Just trying to understand the fuck is wrong with this guy here. And why is it like this? Could be something worked with the type of nodes or something. Not sure, not sure. And not so sure. Maybe just doing the transform through this stuff is not the good idea. Through rotation degrees, maybe. Maybe that's not the best idea. Maybe you want to do it some other way. But that's the thing, like I just kind of like, you know, I'll do it here live, so you guys advise, and I do it this way. Otherwise it will be just like watching the, you know, the guide and just repeating the steps and everything. That's not the way I kind of wanted it to do. But though I could, of course. That just doesn't sound fun. What the fuck can be wrong with this thing, though? The local position doesn't even matter anymore. I can remove offset, then local position is not even involved whatsoever. Set the position without the offset. I mean, you can remove the offset completely, it doesn't matter. Like, it's still borked. Like, the offset probably kind of needed, it's just different offset. Like, it's still borked. Maybe even more. Like, even when it's rotated, so it doesn't matter, it's still borked, even without offset. So something else is at play here. And it's also like not even like it's some sort of like the what's the name? Like it's not like offset removed. Like there's no offset right now, like whatsoever. But it's not set at all. Like there's no offset right now. It's still borked. Like it's not even like it's basically. Like this way it tries to connect to like 0, 0, and if it do this way, it still like kind of goes like weird way. Like it's not like the end goal is wrong. It's not like the starting goal is wrong. It's just like the whole like position is fucked. Yeah, it works if it's not rotated. Yeah, if it works with offset, it works without offset. Doesn't matter. Now it's no offset right now. It still works. Well, kind of PPG, but works. Can rotate it, it doesn't work with offset. Without offset, it's just kind of like wrong. Like even if the offset would be kind of wrong, it would just, you know, fly out or something. It would still move. But it just doesn't. It's like basically right now offset is to the whole like position, right? Because it doesn't move. It actually just has this like spacing here, but it doesn't move or something. I mean, I have no offset now, right? At all. So, like, you ignore what happens with the right direction. Like, we moved it and it's borked already. So, like, you don't need to check it for, you know, like 90 or 2070. It doesn't work. With offset, without offset, it doesn't work. Like, there's no offset now. I removed it. Make sure it doesn't... It's not here either, but yeah, it doesn't work here. No matter what. Like, there's no offset right now at all. I deleted it completely. It's just like it's completely like off. Like it's not inside the lerp is the problem. It's like the problem starts or appears already on the final result. Like it does have some sort of different offset attached at the very like to the thing itself, which I don't know why. It could be because it also rotates like axis or something. Only the domino scene, alright. Let's try. Now do we do that? Around current scene. Nope. No, like I wish I could see it. It just like feels like it feels like it switched the like the axis or something, I guess. Like just X, Y just got completely flipped or some shit. Actually not completely flipped, because then it probably would behave also really weird, huh? But at least somehow. Let's get with the offset. Just the scene, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, it's still kind of bigger. Not sure. Not sure. I'm gonna try to kind of quickly look and see. Like everyone is having issues with like the 3D transforms and stuff. It does seem like there's a lot of issues with that stuff. But I do feel like it just position without the lerp, just the global mouse position. Let's try, yeah. It's still PPG, but less actually. And now the PPG, I think, actually is the offset thing. Yeah, it's it kind of gets to the center here. Okay, what if we get the offset back? Yeah, maybe this like linear interpolation or whatever is just going in the weird direction or something. Yeah, drag offset, right? Yep. It does have a little bit of the jump there, though. Oh, no, it doesn't even. So maybe because maybe lerp actually does something with the angle. Control parent in the C. Wait, which one? Huh? That's actually weird though, because we had that. I literally just had it. The size was there. We decided, okay, the size was there because I was setting the pivot offset to half the size. Where the fuck did the size go? Oh, it's probably because I was messing around with anchors or something. I think it kind of like doesn't matter really. It probably stretches the contents because we have these things in. That doesn't matter. That was the case before already. I think it removed itself for some reason, I guess, when I was messing with the... Hey, what are you doing? Just wanted to do this. Or you do the anchors presets. I didn't touch them now. Bro. Alright, got PP again. Whatever. Yeah, I guess the interpolation there, the lerp does something weird. Wonder. But it was there already, yeah. Feel something else happened there. Could it be because of the linear part of it? I don't know. Because yeah, when you just go with global, it's fine. When you do some lerping, it goes pipiga. Global with offset even. And everything works good then. Does like a little bit of the weird move there, though, still. Lamp 25 delta, alright. Wait, how does that goes? Clam call expect at least 3 but received 1. So how do we do that? Value min max. Plums the value returning variant to not less than min, not more than max. Alright. So between 0 and 1. Alright, min 0, well, that's 1. Sure. Nope. Maybe it should be... what was there? So maybe it's not need to be not lerp something else. I don't know why though. Because I don't think like even in parameters of lerp that it has some sort of like angle to it or something. So that's really weird, huh? Yes, it clearly does the vector. Maybe it's like the wrong type of the vector. I kind of doubt it, though. 'Cause, yeah, it clearly does the vector. Maybe it's like the wrong type of the vector. I kind of doubt it, though. 'Cause, yeah, it clearly does the vector. 'Cause, yeah, maybe it's like the wrong type of the vector. I kind of doubt it, though. Defined by weight. Yeah, weight doesn't have anything to do with the angle either. Like, I have a feeling it maybe takes like some different vector. Maybe. Alert weight to 0.5. I think it actually is. No. Nah, that's actually even like worse, to be honest. Wait a second. What if we do it more? Well, actually, that could be the case, actually. It's just the lower it, the more weird it goes. Interesting. Something does happen with coordinates, though, for sure. Some weird, like, difference between coordinates being created. And that makes that happen. It's probably the same also when they could with the global mouse position. You just kind of don't really see it because it's like instant. You still kind of do sometimes though, actually. Yeah, there's still like this like little moment of things being Pipiega sometimes. Like it does move a little. No, this way it's even worse. It's because I was clicking in the center. If you click not in the center, it actually goes also Pipiega. Okay, wait a second. If no offset here. It's still because, yeah, I feel it's because of the offset when they in different positions, offset just kind of becomes weird. What they're gonna do? Well, I mean, we kind of technically do print it though, right? Global position. Well, actually, it's before, but I mean, when we're moving, that's what it does. Well, I'm not right now though. So this one only has X and Y. Doesn't have any rotation there or something, right? Oh, there is angle though, actually. Can it have angle there, I wonder? What if I try to get that angle thingy going? Extract that somehow and get that in. Now, even this way, that it doesn't have, it has nothing to do with lerp actually. It's with this stuff, yeah. So, and even with offset, it's still borked. If you don't click in the middle, it's still gonna be borked. So yeah, it's not lerp. Lerp just slows it down. It's like, yeah, it's not in the middle. Yeah, you click here, it's still Maybe it is actually that angle thing or something involved there somehow when we start like rotating that stuff. Hmm. Maybe it does do something with the angle when we do the rotation then. I don't know why would it touch that though, but I guess. Like maybe when we do the offsets, nah, it's still not really. It's like it keeps the anchor at the same spot even when you rotate them. It's like the pivot offset is there, but the anchor is not. Like it's that way. Like it's this way. So I think it kind of... Yeah, something weird with the angle, I feel like, kinda. Could mess around with that. What can that be? What can that be? Like I wonder, just like setting the rotation here makes the local mouse or something kind of. Actually, no, not the local mouse, but like yeah, we use the global mouse here too. Yeah, that actually exactly what happens though. Like when I click somewhere here, it moves this way. So I think that's why. So like it doesn't like pivot offset just works for the rotation, but it still moves the center here. So if we try to offset this center here, it goes kind of weird because like yeah, it's already not exactly the beginning of coordinates, I guess, for us. I assume. Gear, yeah, I guess. Well, I mean, I'm not just constantly running. I'm still trying to, like, I'm just kind of automatically running, so I do something. Otherwise, I'm just kind of processing that stuff. So yeah, that's what we get, and that's why probably offset is kind of PPG because the coordinates are now completely different. So I guess maybe just setting it to the center of this shit is the only way to do it, really. Then. The only reasonable way to do it without going some insane crutches, I guess, for some offset fiesta, you know. I'll even move it then. I'll do even move it all. I need to move all those things then, I guess. And my control, move the control. Brother, all you needed to do. Really start with 2D nodes? I will. That's the thing, like, that's the, like, I want to start with the stuff that is, you know, that I use in the production sorta. What the fuck I do in scale also? No, scaling we need 1-1. The fuck did happen with you there too? Did you? Wait, where is it? Off. Oh. Let's stop this doing this shit, dude. Fucking idiot, you, man. Oh, that's fine. We need to offset her to return. Okay. Why not doing it this way, though? Do you still need the pivot for that? Thought we have this in all. Actually, no, wait a second. This we can do the... You're moving it all the way there, though. But let's say, I guess... Do you still need the pivot thingy anyway? Thought we kind of made it, you know. Thought we kind of made it right. Oh, yeah, because again, it kind of went Pipiega down. Even if you put the anchor in the middle, it's still... No, that's just kind of moves it on that thing. That's not the... That's not even it. This is not even it then. If it could be like always top left though, even when we spin it a bit, that would be good. Oh, this way actually does. Oh yeah, because we have the pivot offset, I guess. Oh yeah, because we have pivot. Okay, I see how it goes then. Why? Can we make it like... Well, I mean, that should be. I don't know why you switched again. Oh, wait, nice. Wait, how do we... move this shit? That just moves everything. How do we move this? This is gonna move the whole thing in the center, that ain't it. The pivot offset again? I didn't think this way. I mean, I get. Oh yeah. That could actually work. That could actually work. Back to square one. I am not so sure because now it goes around 0 though, at least. So that actually might kind of do work. Ah, maybe not. Well, actually no. Wait a second. Now we still can do the offset thing. Maybe. Maybe. But yeah, it does kind of seem like it though. Yeah, it still tries to return to that position. Still tries to return to that position. Even though it kind of does look like it's right. Like this actually looks okay here, but when you actually get it in, it still doesn't... I guess when you instantiate it, it kind of like goes with different coordinates or something there. And then it again kind of becomes the corner. And then you do the pivot offset, and then yeah, then the coordinates kind of move. So you kind of need to take that in account, I guess. Well, alright, at least we figured out. At least we figured out how that worked. How that works. Like how it doesn't work, at least. Alright, so I need to redo next time, I guess, everything. Like, just like, let me know which, like, I have no fucking idea, man. So just, yeah, let me know which fields and stuff, which, you know, which nodes, which types of nodes, though. So I don't need to redo it preferably again. That would be nice. Which ones are, you know, the good shit that will actually work for, you know, gamifying it. Gamifying it, not just, you know, getting some squares spinning. Even though it's still gonna be square spinning because it's dominoes, you know. But yeah, hopefully that will work better. Hopefully that will work better. I mean, movement was pretty easy. It's just like it didn't work exactly that crazy good with changing the direction, though. Yeah, I need the collisions. I need the collisions for sure. I need collisions. I need them to what's the name? To click. I need them to snap to each other. And collisions we really do need, yeah, because we need to kind of like on collision to check, you know, which ones collided. It's basically kind of in a way quite similar to what I did in Unity, to be honest. On collision, we will be checking who collided, and if they should stay together and snap, or they go back, which is exactly what I did in Unity, actually, too. A little different thing, but the similar concept there, too. And hopefully it will be better with actually making it all move and stuff, because this was kind of weird shit. This kind of weird shit. We'll see if we'll get the similar situation later. Well, we'll see. See, just like next time, maybe tomorrow we'll see. Tomorrow depends on how long the news will take, and just let me know which nodes and stuff I will need to do, and we'll do them. And we'll do them. And we will do them. See how that will go. See how that will go. Shouldn't be anything super hard. From the dog stuff? Alright. I see, alright. I'll see. Yeah, we'll get it. We'll get it. We'll see about tomorrow. We'll try, but depends. Sometimes news just kind of like takes a little too long, a little too long. Okay, so yeah, gonna be calling it a day later than I planned to. Still need to do a little bit of grind and then go actually sleep. Because tomorrow I need to get the notes for the gaming news also. Again, is hard. I mean, that's actually fine. That's fun. It's just like kind of like it'll be way easier, you know, just to kind of like sitting and having like a bunch of like all those like videos and everything, and just, you know, like getting that stuff in by using all the videos and everything. But that ain't fun. That ain't fun then. Oh, that ain't fun. It's fun when you can, you know, like do it live. But for that, you already need to know a thing or two, though. And that's what I kind of think, I feel, I kind of did. The learning isn't fun. I mean, I know, and I don't even mind. That's the thing. I'm like, I don't want it fun for me, I guess. I want it fun for stream, you know. Like, otherwise I would just do it off stream completely, and that's it. And that's it. And that would be quite more probably simple and productive, huh? But it's kind of fun this way, I guess. It's kind of fun this way. That's why I'm doing it. That's why I'm doing it. Progress is fun to stream, yeah. And that is true. That is true. But I mean, the concept was always kind of like, you know, to like learn it. And I mean, with Unity, that actually was really good. I think that was going really well. And I could actually even do some stuff. I mean, I did even like in the beginning of the stream, I kind of like got some of the stuff from the video that I found, because yeah, I didn't want to completely just sit silently and just like dig through stuff on stream, which I didn't today because you guys were helping. So yeah, that was interactive and nice. That was interactive and nice. So yeah, I don't mind even watching them really. But yeah, trying to kind of minimize it, so I still learn in process with others. Because that way is kind of fun for everyone involved. And with Unity, that was actually kind of good, I think. With Unity, as I said earlier today, it did feel like I actually kind of like, well, looking from now, when I'm at the very beginning of the Godot, actually with Unity, there was quite a lot of stuff, quite a lot of progress there actually, even though it wasn't even a lot of time, but at least I could just like sit there and do stuff with better understanding how to do stuff. So this for now is just a little clueless moment, a little more of a clueless moment there. So stream that on Twitch with more people to help. I mean, true, yeah, I guess that's kind of true, but this kind of true. Well, I mean, those were also better times in general, you know, a little bit, so... that in general was better. But yeah, I guess. Yeah, on Twitch we'll see. I just kind of like way too much stuff to do. But probably. If anything, that probably also would be more for like some sort of like secondary activity on the secondary channels and everything. Until you maybe like get already to the point when you're making something like, yeah, something more fun, and even then not so sure. But yeah, alright, we're gonna redo then to the different types of nodes. It's not like it's gonna be anything like different. The script's not gonna like change like that crazy much anyway, so it's whatever. Not that big deal. Better to do it now than to do it later. For sure. But you're gonna do it. Yeah, we'll see about tomorrow. Maybe. But yeah, now gonna be peacing out. Time to get a little bit of that. Get them dailies out of the way before I go to sleep. So yeah, I will be back tomorrow. 9 AM CST as usual on Twitch. The usual. I'll be finishing Bolt Gun DLC. We continuing probably with System Shock Remake. And then it's giving a news recap. Then we'll see. Maybe after that I will... If I'm not finishing the news recap again, as usual, kinda like way too late, then we do another YouTube stream. Then we do some more, and gonna be switching all those things around to make it all good. So yeah, I'll see you guys there then. And enjoy the rest of the evening. See you all tomorrow. Love you all. Bye bye.